Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's been struggling with dark spots, uneven skin tone, or pigmentation, then this video is just for you. Today, we're diving into a powerful ingredient that's taken the skincare world by storm: Kojic Acid. Kojic Acid is a naturally occurring compound derived from fungi and also found as a byproduct of fermenting foods like soy sauce and sake. It's primarily used in skincare for one major reason: it helps lighten and brighten the skin. Let's keep it simple. Kojic acid works by blocking the production of melanin. That's the pigment responsible for dark spots and uneven skin tone. It inhibits an enzyme called tyrosinase, which is essential in melanin production. Less melanin equals brighter skin. Here's why so many dermatologists and skincare lovers swear by Kojic acid. Fades hyperpigmentation, think acne scars, sunspots, and melasma. Evens out skin tone, reduces discoloration and dullness. Antioxidant protection. Kojic acid also helps fight off free radicals, reducing signs of aging. Natural alternative. It's a gentler alternative to harsher chemical brighteners like hydroquinone. Yes, but like all skincare ingredients, it must be used correctly. Kojic acid is generally safe in concentrations under 1%. Always do a patch test and follow with sunscreen, because Kojic acid can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. Kojic acid comes in many forms: serums, soaps, creams, and moisturizers. Start by using it once every other day, especially if you have sensitive skin. Slowly build up as your skin adjusts. Some users may experience mild irritation, redness, or dryness. If this happens, just take a break and consult a dermatologist. Oh, and avoid using Kojic acid with other strong actives like retinol or AHAs in the same routine, unless advised. Here are 3 quick tips to get the most out of Kojic acid. First, always wear SPF. Kojic acid makes your skin more photosensitive. Second, be patient. Results usually show in about 2 to 4 weeks. And finally, consistency is key. Don't skip days. So, why Kojic acid? Because it's a gentle, effective, and science-backed way to brighten your skin and reduce pigmentation. Naturally. If you're ready for a more even, glowing complexion, Kojic acid might just be the ingredient your skincare routine is missing. Have you tried Kojic acid before? Drop your experience in the comments. Like this video if it helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare, science made simple. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update.